Hey you guys, I just came on really quick to show you something simple that you can do if you're in a panic, your braids are looking old and tired, how mine are looking right now. So I did a couple already, but I was like, let me do a quick video real quick. So just to show you, like, and excuse my edges, I just had a baby 9 months ago, and so I had some hair loss like in my edge area. So this is all new growth of the hair coming back, but you can see like it didn't all stay in this braid here, and you can see the braids are old, so it's coming out here. So something super quick that you could do for short term, because truth be told, I'm getting ready to take these braids out tonight, but I wanted to just do this quick little tutorial. So what I'm using for this today is just the extra hold shine and jam for my edges. Just putting a little bit on here, right? Gonna use a comb and swoop it back to make it look nice and neat. And like I said, this is a temporary thing. I'm not a super big fan of rubber bands, but like if you got to do something, your braids are old and you need them to look nice. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna place a band at the base of the braid like that. Just feed it through a couple of times. Right, one more time. I did just like 3 twists. You don't want to do anything that's too tight to stress your edges, but you can see it makes it look a little bit more clean. Let me do this one down here, put some gel on it. Tiny little rubber band. And this is like quick and simple, and I'm literally only doing the front ones. I'm not going back any further because it's time for me to take these out, which I'm gonna be showing you guys how to properly take down your braids so that you can not have breakage. But see, look how that looks. And then I'm just gonna pull these up into a ponytail. Ooh, got stuff all over my face. Quick ponytail. I'm gonna grab just a couple braids from behind so that I can wrap them around. You don't have to use a ponytail holder at all. I rarely use a ponytail holder to do my like high ponytails when I have braids. I just use the braids themselves. Give a little twist, wrap, and I just keep wrapping until I run out, and then that tiny little bit that's left over, I just tuck it in. Then I'm gonna pull them, right? And so I'm not the biggest fan, I don't judge, I'm not the biggest fan of like a heavy amount of edges down, but I do like to swoop them and make them look a little nice. So you can do that. And I mean, this gives your braids a nice little refresh if you have something you need to do when it is really time to take them out. Because I'm at that point, like, it is time to take these babies out. They have done all they can do. But this can definitely get you by for a moment if there's something that you need to do quickly. Voila.